Ever wondered why your English cottage feels almost right, but not quite? The answer often lies in scale, warmth, and light. With ReimagineHome.ai, you can finally see what's missing in seconds before you buy a single rug or paint a wall. Many beautiful rooms stop just short of feeling truly cozy. A rug that's too small, harsh lighting, furniture pushed to the walls, or cool-toned paint that flattens the charm of old wood and brick. We've all stood there wondering, how do designers get that snug look? What if you could visualize the perfect layout, palette, and lighting instantly from your own photo? That's where ReimagineHome.ai comes in. Simply upload one photo of your living room and watch as AI creates multiple realistic cottage or makeovers in under a minute. Warm mushroom walls? Sage green fireplace? Layered Persian rugs and brass lamps? You can test them all side by side. Picture this, a small 19th century living room, once cold and cramped, transformed with an 8 by 10 moss green rug that ties both sofas together. The TV moves to a side wall, a mirror replaces it above the mantel, and sunlight dances across soft linen curtains. Every inch feels intentional, inviting, and warm. ReimagineHome.ai doesn't just decorate, it teaches your eye. You'll see why designers leave 30 inches for walkways, why 2 sofa legs on the rug stabilize a layout, and how layered lamps add emotional warmth. The platform interprets your room's light and texture, so colors like olive, ochre, and mushroom appear exactly as they would in your real home. Design experts report that AI visualization reduces project indecision by up to 80%. Homeowners using ReimagineHome.ai say they buy once, not twice, saving money and frustration. Realtors report faster staging cycles and higher listing engagement, all because viewers connect emotionally to warm, lived-in visuals. So if your space feels unfinished or flat, it's time to reimagine it, literally. Upload a single room photo to ReimagineHome.ai and watch your cottage find its soul. Rugs that fit, paint that glows, and furniture that faces the fire. Visit www.reimaginehome.ai today. Reimagine your space. Reimagine home.